welcome back to Cheshire Cat Flap Fitters. It is 2023, the new year, yay! Christmas done. Excellent. It's annoying Christmas just stops work. I like to work. So yes, Christmas fine, lovely. Christmas was lovely. Finally back to work though. So today we are just doing a couple of measure ups. It's the third. See what I mean? It's the third. So measure ups, 2 measure ups. Got loads of work coming over Christmas. It was mint, absolutely mint. It's not stopped, people. You were amazing. We thank you. So yeah, onwards, upwards. Let's get it done. Can't wait. So we'll do some work, get some cat flaps done. We've got measure ups. We've got a diary full of jobs waiting to be made at the factory. So January is going to be good, guys. So stick with us. A couple of videos coming, and see you when we see you. Right, some GoPro's been playing up. What's all that about? So that's that job measured up. Now we're off to Ormskirk. So it's a little bit of a drive. We're currently in Sandbach, off to Ormskirk, and after that we have to buy a couple of UPVC panels because we've only got one left. I like to keep a few in stock, so we're always ready to go whenever we're needed. So yeah, off to Ormskirk. See you when I see you. Well, this has got to be a first. I went to Burger King, my preferred eatery if I find one. I asked for a medium Fanta. They gave me a large one. I asked for 2 hamburgers, and they gave me 2 hamburgers and a fries. How kind is that? Oh, thank you, Burger King. Anyway, we want to do this fire door. So, got all my bits that we need for it. So when we get in there, I'll show you exactly what we need to do. These metal frame, like I showed you with the fire curtain, you're limited to what type of cat flap we can fit. So we've got this pet safe. What we've got to do, we've got to drill some little holes into the frame. This is guided by the company who manufactured it to attach it on. So I'm going to do that now. the hole cut into the fire door. I've got the flap attached to the unit, both sides. I'm going to seal it up and put it in. Put it in 3, 2, 1. Oh, she's in. She's swinging. Oh yeah. One fireproof cat flap installed. Look at this little gorgeous thing. Can you smell the other cats? You're absolutely beautiful, you. I'm gonna make you a cat flap. Welcome back to Cheshire Cat Flap Fitters. Today we are in Nantwich. And what looks like building some new houses. So that may be where we're headed. Not sure. We're just going down a little country road. But yeah, today I've just got a couple of jobs. We're fitting a shore flap, well I think it's a shore flap, customer provided cat flap into a UPVC door. So I think it's UPVC door, sometimes they're composite, but we'll see when we get there. Great when you get a coffee, absolutely great. Always good quality coffee with my customers as well. So we're here, we're fitting this PetSafe microchip into this composite door. It's white on the inside, grey on the outside. So 2 seals, white and clear. Yeah, should look good. So there she's in. Just gonna put a bead of seal round on either side. Tidy up this mess. Yeah, should look nice when I'm done. Nice, clean, clear seal. Works so much better on the grey. Absolutely fantastic. Hello. You coming in? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. A little bit scared. Oh. Right, well that one's done. So which way are we going down here? Oops, this way. So I just took that one. Right, so that one's done. That went well. Lovely lady. Gorgeous house. Absolutely gorgeous house. Like a tiny little new build estate, middle of loads of rolling country fields. Houses were gorgeous, really spacious, modern looking. Absolutely brilliant. So yeah, just leaving now. There's a mini animal zoo around here. Grease Hall or something like that. Drove past it a couple of times. I like many things and I like animals. Mini animals. Oh, police helicopter whizzing over. Very low police helicopter. Watch the birds, police helicopter. Very low. What are the birds? I wish I could have turned you around, but you stuck to the dashboard. There were birds very close to that helicopter then. That helicopter was very low, I'm not sure why. They weren't looking for me. Right, so yeah, that was done. Looked really good. Enjoyed that, dead relaxing, that one easy. Not easy, nothing's easy. Good. Obviously, you can mess them up. I've messed them up before. Once upon a time. People think it's easy, but it's not. Well, it is, but it's not. Anyway, you're rambling again. Well, a good ramble, Warren. So, anyway, off to do a measure up. Amy's managed to sneak a measure up in between jobs this morning whilst doing her own bits and bobs. Can't wait till she's full time with Cheshire Cat flaps at the Ace. Just got to get a van, a couple more months out of the way. That's the plan, to buy a van. So just wait till you see that as well. Oh, this is all dream come true stuff, this. I've had it planned in my head for so long. Sign written van. Nice toolboxes. I've got the nice toolboxes with nice tools. We've ticked that box. Got the lovely customers coming in. We just need Amy full time and a van. Oh, call coming in. Back to you in a minute. Bit wet today. Bit wet. This is where we're going to be coming through. Inside. Yes, thank you. You hear me talking to myself, I'm just talking to my camera. And that's where it will be roughly sitting. one pet door through a wall. Take it to the outside. And there it is on the outside. Nice drop above the air bricks. All nice and satisfactory. So another cat flap. So another Cheshire Cat Flaps job done well. Let us know if you want a cat flap to go through a wall. So that's all done. GoPro battery just lasted. Customer's happy. The hole was dead neat. All went in bang on. So yeah, they're happy with that, to be honest. Look, they're good. Customer already had the pet door and they brought it from an old property. They took it out of a door and wanted it through a wall. That's where I came in. So yeah, managed to dodge the rain. It's absolutely throwing it down now, but managed to dodge it while I was working, so oops, that was good. So that's it. I think we'll leave that for today. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to do the obligatory, like, subscribe, share. I don't know how sharing goes. If anyone wants to share it, like on your Facebook or anything like that, that'd be good. So look at this. Look at this idiot here fitting cat flaps. But yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Today we have got brown shorts, brown clothes, and brown adapter. Not these big white ones. They're from the other day. Put them away. We're exchanging somebody's old manual cat flap, broken. We've got a cat coming into the house, so we're replacing their old cat flap with a new nice microchip activated shore flapper. So this should be a nice result. It is cold, but it's dry. You tell Amy's been had a look at the old cat trees. I didn't arrange them like that. I put seatbelt on it. Right, excellent. Right, well, you never know what you're going to find behind things when you take them off. And it was quite a big hole around this wooden boxing that they put in. It's a very makeshift way of doing it. So I'm going to tidy it up. As a good installer, I always carry what I need. I had some gap fill, which we're going to fill these gaps with. That stuff go off because it's absolutely disgusting. Disgusting. So I've gap filled all them bits so I can let it go off and then I can chop it back and fill it up and make it look neater. Got some filler with me and some gap fill and some grab adhesive. Got everything we need. There you go. It's all going off. Smudged it back. It's ready to fill. We've left a right mess of where we've done it. So we filled around the edges. We sanded back and give it a bit of paint to be fine. Much better than it was before. Same on the outside. So yeah, nearly time for the flap. So I'll show a flap in this side with a much more hygienic tunnel. Looking good. Come to look at your new cat flap. Oops, door shut. Oh, oops. I'll do it for you. Oops, I'll do it for you. Come on. That's the cat flap in, a lot neater, ready for paint. Bit of sanding down and painting. On the outside. There we go. Here at Cheshire Cat Flaps we know what to do. Treat time. The customer have a little treat for the cat. The cat flap's all programmed. I did it before I put it in the wall. Cat flap's ready to go. Looking good. Just needs to dry because a lot of filler, a lot of sealant to make good what we did before. Oh, there we are, lovely. Right, well that's done. Interesting job. Just because of the position of the old flat, we had to remove the old manual stairwell. It was like under that cupboard, as you saw. So the positioning was funny. When we took the old stairwell out, the wall behind was terrible. Just holes, and it was like a wood-lined tunnel. Mate, I'd never seen anybody do anything like that before, but interesting stuff. So yeah, we got that out. We got it back in. It looked good. Luckily, we had that filler with us. Luckily, we had filler. We had gap fill, and we had some foam filler. So yeah, managed to make it good. Just needs a sand down and a little paint on the inside. Customer's happy to do that. So yeah, interesting little job. Interesting. Chelford, just passing through Chelford. So we have now got another job to go to. Going through a wooden panel next to a door, or the wooden panel below the glass. We're going to investigate. Customer supplied cat flaps, I'm not sure they make either. So we'll see when we get there. Interesting day. A little bit away from the norm. I do like it. Keeps things fresh. So yeah, I'll see you there. Coming out this side looking nice. And on the inside. She is on the inside. So yeah, and the Cheshire Cat Flat Fitters job done well. Those jobs done for today. Second one went well. Far less of a headache than the first one. But no, they were both good jobs, both turned out well. Customer was extremely happy. Said we were very professional, friendly and clean. Clean or tidy. It's one of those. Clean and tidy. So yeah, she complimented Amy on all her correspondence. So another Cheshire Cat Flat Fitters job done well. So we're on our way home. Thank you for watching, tuning in, whatever they call it these days. And we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.